Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So as you all know, we have some special months and special days for special occasions. Like we have October for Halloween month, we have Father's Day, we have Mother's Day. Just like that, June is the month for LGBTQ plus community. It is a month where we all accept others as who they are and we accept ourselves as who we are. It is a month in honor of the LGBTQ plus community, to acknowledge them, to accept them as who they are and to empower them. So it's a month full of pride, full of colors, full of joy and full of acceptance. So my today's video is in honor of the Pride month, where I will be doing a very colorful rainbow makeup. Okay, to be very honest with you, I really want this look to be creative, but I also want it to be easy so that everyone can do it. And as rainbow has so many bright colors, it is not possible for everyone to have such colored products at home, and nor do I. So I just grabbed every palette, whatever I had, be it matte, shimmery, glitter, whatever, I just grabbed it and I'll make use of that. So even if you have anything of that color, be it lipstick, blush, powder, pigments, whatever, just grab it and we'll make the look with that. So let's start with the face, and as usual I'm going in with my Clarins BB cream. Okay, now I'm gonna work on my eyebrows, and I'm thinking of doing rainbow eyebrows. So for that, first of all, we'll have to make these eyebrows disappear as much as possible. First, with the spoolie brush, I will just brush all the hair upwards, and I'll apply the BB cream first. Now I'll apply my Kylie Cosmetics concealer in the shade Maple. Now I'm gonna take my Lakme Absolute White Intense Wet and Dry Compact, and I will try to make them disappear a little bit more. Okay, so I cannot do anything more now, so I'm gonna start coloring the eyebrows. And first I'm gonna go in with the yellow color, and for that I'm using my Huda Beauty's Electric Obsession palette. Thank God for this palette, because this has most of the colors we need today. So I'm just gonna take a small brush and start coloring the eyebrows. This is like a true pigment test for your eyeshadow palettes. And I'm gonna do yellow here also. Is the yellow color even visible? Yeah, kind of. Now we move on to our next color, which is orange, and I'm using the same palette. Okay, moving on to our next color, which is red. Our next color is purple, and for that I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty's pigments, and this is in the shade February. Now this is a shimmer pigment and these were all mattes. So let's just hope this works out well and I don't make a joke out of myself today. So we are done with this eyebrow and now we move on to this one. We had already applied the yellow shade and now we have to apply the green shade. Now I'm a little concerned about the green color because the only green shade I had at home was this one. This is by MAC's Light Festival palette, and this is not the kind of green I wanted for this look. I wanted a really bright one, and this green is very dull, but I don't have any other option. I have to use it. Yeah, not bad, not bad at all. This is good, this will work. Now our next color is blue, and for that also I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty pigment, and this is in the shade Glacier Gang. And our final shade is the same purple that we used here. And our final step for the eyebrows is to carve everything out and make them look defined. And for that I'm using the concealer and a flat brush. I just hope that the yellow color is visible from the camera because it is really, really light. Okay, so there is a lot of fallout on my eyes, eyelashes and all over my face. So I'm quickly going to clean it all up and come back. Okay, now we're gonna move to the face, and for the face also I want to do something colorful, and I'm thinking of doing that mermaid type of look, and for that we need to use our fishnet stockings. My parents, I just sent a photo to my parents and they freaked out. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette, and I'm gonna use this shiny blue and pink color, and I'm gonna merge them on either side of the face. So first I'm using the pink color. And now I'm gonna use the blue color. Wow, my hair. Wow, I absolutely love it. Okay, I did the other side also and it's not very equal, but it's okay. And now we finally move to the lips, and for the lips also I want to do the same colorful thing I did to the eyebrows. So I'm gonna follow all the same steps and use all the same products. So first we are gonna apply the BB cream. Then concealer. And then the compact powder. So we are going to start with the red color. Then is our orange color. Yellow. Green. Blue and purple. I did a very easy and very simple eye makeup. I also highlighted some parts of my face and I realized that my lips are really drying up. So I'm gonna take a chance here and apply some transparent lip gloss on my lips. Oh god, look at my hands. I've got rainbow hands also now. And lastly, just to make this look more creative, I'm gonna apply some sequences somewhere on my face. And this is it. This is our final complete look. I really hope that you all had fun watching this video because I absolutely enjoyed making this video. And it's not necessary for you to do all these things in the exact same way. You can do any one or two of them and you can use any color combination for this one. And for eyebrows and lips, you can go in any direction of the color you want. It is absolutely your choice. Be creative. This is how I did it and I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching throughout the video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And that is pretty much all for today. So I'll see you all in my next video.